Okay guys, this is a bit of a quick video. The Sporting Car Club of South Australia, we're having a bit of a meet. As you can see, there's some nice cars over there, and this nice Monaro, HK Monaro GTS 327 according to the badge, looking very pristine, and yeah, nice little Bristol. Not sure what year this is, but that looks very cool too. Very cool. And there's a nice MGTF, if anybody likes MGs. Nice green, British green, I'd say, MGTF. And behind the tree here, there's another HK Monaro GTS, and he's even got his bonnet open. So it's got a nice set of Simon wheels, a little bit lowered at the back or in the front, and that's what's powering him. But that thing is very cool too. Very nice. Do you like that red? And the chrome wheels sort of set it off. And then we've come to this nice Chevrolet Camaro, as you can see. Nice white, very creamy wheels, gleaming in the sun. Got a beautiful blue interior in this, absolutely beautiful. Sort of sets the white off, but that thing is so cool. And across the road there's a nice VL, and I think another Bristol MG, and a Mustang, and a HR behind. So once we get across here, we might have a bit more of a peek. Yeah, that's another Bristol. Very nice VL. Look at the shine on this MG. That's gorgeous. Very cool. Nice Mustang as well. And a BMW, and of course the EH. The old Ford GT, eh? What a beast. He's popping and banging. That is cool. Don't see many of them about. He's not making the same noise, but still nice to see the old Jag. There's a very cool FJ here too, one of the old Humpies. Nice to see. Absolutely beautiful looking car. Holden Special, eh? With its bits of chrome on it, but that looks very nice. And another MG with his little British badge on him, and yeah, that's very nice too. Very nice shiny paint on that, and yeah, you've got the bit of a fake wood dash on that one there, but very cool gauges nevertheless. That thing is immaculate. Very nice to see with his little spare tyre and his little GB badge. And then we have a bit of a Porsche here, but what I really wanted to look at, this HR. How's the paintwork on that? And it's had all its chrome or chrome handles changed, clean look at the back, no handles at the back. The fuel filler cap's been changed to a top position instead of being down on the side guard. And yeah, it's got a set of Kingswood rear tail lights instead of the normal HR. But I tell you what, that is absolutely beautiful. In different light, it's looking between blue and black. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think, but this thing is absolutely crackerjack. One of the best, I reckon. One of the best. Beautiful. Nice big Ford Lane Torino, hey? Beautiful. Torino Sport. What a beast. Look at that rear quarter. That's massive. Actually, everything about it's massive. And then next to that we've got a Fairlane. Big American Ford Fairlane. Victoria. Very pinky sort of inside, but that thing is cool. Very, very cool. And then we got another Ford next to it. V8 Thunderbird. Nice big old Thunderbird, or little Thunderbird compared to the Fairlane. But that thing is cool too. And then we've got this Ford Cortina, which we've seen at Coffee and Cars a few times, with Homer Simpson keeping the passenger seat warm. That thing is gorgeous. Very, very nice. And of course, if people think Minis are cute, here's something for them. The Morris Cooper. After seeing those big Americans, this thing looks absolutely midget. But still, I do think they're cool. Very cool car, indeed. Well, it looks like they're all starting to go, so as I said, it was only a small event, so I just thought I'd pop down here and see a few of the cars, and I thought I'd record a few and show them to you, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, and if you like this type of thing, to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and cheers for now.